In Telangana, the second phase of Gram Panchayat elections is underway, drawing participation from over 57 lakh eligible voters across 193 mandals in the state. In Kila, Warangal mandal showed residents arriving at polling booths to cast their votes, reflecting strong community involvement in grassroots democracy. Authorities confirmed that thousands of polling stations were set up to elect sarpanchas and ward members with security arrangements in place to ensure smooth conduct. The elections are vital for strengthening local governance as Gram Panchayatis play a key role in addressing village level issues and implementing development initiatives. The turnout highlights the commitment of rural communities to shaping their immediate environment and reinforcing participatory governance in Telangana.
ఇక్కడ వచ్చారు కదా ఆగిపోయారు ఎమ్మట చేసుకుని పోతారు
వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరికీ మార్క్ పెట్టుకోవాలి.